Now let us understand the mechanism how the bus works. How does it send the command? It's received by the handler and again by the subscribers. So what all basic configuration you need to do to make it happen? So let us now see that. So here is the endpoint again. So to come, let us see the messages that got created when we created one add customer. So the bus configuration, you do it after you have configured after you have created one of the features. Otherwise you will not get this command or any event for the assembly to be configured there. So let us see what to do. We have a add customer command. So in the endpoint, the name of this endpoint is e-commerce demo.endpoint.webapi. So what the bus will do is, bus will send whenever your message is received by the API, it invokes the service layer. It invokes the pre-bus, if you see here, and after all the validation has succeeded, it creates a command and it sends the message or the command to the handler endpoint. So how do we configure the address of this bus to send the message? So you can also send it local to the same thing, but there is no point in processing the message in the same endpoint. So ideally, we gave another handler, separate handler for that, which can run as a background process, either Windows service or as a web job. So in the startup, we have configure bus services. In the configure bus services, we say any message from this endpoint, where should it go? We can have multiple configurations, as you see. We can add multiple routes to the bus. So different types of messages or from different assembly can be routed to different endpoint. So by default, for beginning level, let us stick to one endpoint which will execute all the handlers. So this is the endpoint name for the handler, ecommerce.endpoint.handler. Let us go to the handler. This is the name of the handler endpoint when it is hosted. So the queue will be formed in the name of this handler. So what we are telling, send all the commands to this handler endpoint to get executed. So what it has done now, so let us uncomment this one. This is the first thing, that's the only thing probably we have to do in the startup to get started. Now, one of the command. So we have the command. Let's go and see the file name first. Add bus command. The namespace is e-commerce.customer module. So we can do the using namespace, or we copy the command and using add the namespace. So the namespace is added for the command and the bus is configured. So any command in the assembly demo.messages will go to the destination ecommerce.endpoint.handler. So this is the configuration you need to do. Now let us come to handler. So handler may send the messages to itself. It may not need that much. So we can just make this so that the same assembly, same destination we have given. So just this will not do anything because you are not sending any messages to this one. Back here, and we have subscribers. So subscribers works in a different way. The subscriber will tell, it's the same, either you send the message to the handler endpoint, or the same syntax will be useful to receive the message in the subscriber endpoint. So we are telling all the events or any of the command or event. You can preferably give the event name here so that you can configure later. I'll just pick up one event name. So one event. Okay, so any or the assembly belonging to this event will listen to this handler endpoint. So any event published from the handler will be received by the subscriber endpoint to get executed in the handler. So we will see how the messages are being handled in the subsequent section. So this is the basic configuration you need to do for your bus to start working. So there are more advanced concepts regarding routing of your messages to the endpoints. You can route different messages from different assembly to different endpoint. We have by namespace we can route, or by assembly we can route. So we will get deeper into the bus routing and configuration in a different section. So this is only for starting of the application. So consider only the basic.